Hi everyone, my name is Gabe Agilin here in MarineMax, Miami. I want to show you this brand new 2021 Sea Ray 270 SDX. Boat just came from the factory. Join me along to take a look. As you can see, this boat is powered by a Mercury 300 horsepower outboard engine. I love the white color paired with the white tower. Gives it a very nice look, especially with the black hull. Very nice contrast. As you can see in the platform, very large platform. You do have the outboard, but you don't sacrifice a lot of space. Have a lot of places to hang out, sit down, put your feet in the water. You do have a deployable stainless steel ladder over to starboard. You have different seating configurations here aft. You can put your feet up, or you can lay it all down and make it a large sun pad. As you can see, you have a nice ski pole for our water sport enthusiast. Don't sacrifice that. As we go into the cockpit, you see this is a nice feature from Sea Ray. So you don't have to step on anything. You have a step to help you get over the freeboard. Nice freshwater washdown aft, as well as a cooler here, so you don't have to come into the cockpit if you're hanging out in the aft part of the boat. On the interior, you can see that this is the stone gray interior. Very nice, light on the eyes, very classy. I love that color. Plenty of room to sit out here. You can comfortably sit 8, have people walking around. Everyone's not on top of each other. Really nice configuration by Sea Ray. You have cup holders throughout. You have very nice accent lighting here underneath the seats. At night, this boat lights up beautifully. You do have a table here that goes in this insert, so you're able to enjoy some drinks or some snacks while anchored out. Your port and starboard seats are reversible, so you have different configurations if you want to face aft or if you want to face forward, however you want to set it up. Moving over to the helm, very clean helm. Everything is labeled. Nice Simrad flush mounted display. Very neatly done by Sea Ray. Fusion stereo. The port, you have a nice head. Here you have a nice little dry storage for your phone, wallet, keys, anything like that. You got some extra storage space in here. This is where we keep the table for the bow and the cockpit. Speaking of as you can see, we kept the width of this boat all the way up to the front, so you have plenty of space to lounge and lay out. You don't sacrifice that space here in the bow with a nice arrangement here. So as you can see, this is the other place for the bow table. You got more storage underneath here. Fusion speakers up front as well on both sides. You have a deployable ladder here and a nice raw water washdown up here. If you have any questions about this boat or any of our other boats, feel free to give me a call. 813-778-3015. Again, this is Gabe Agilin with MarineMax in Miami. Thank you for watching, everyone.